All right, we're live. We are live. Yo, what's good, chat? What's good? What's good? Let me pop this out on a different screen. Perfect. How are we doing? You guys can hear me? We good? Is my face cam not on? Hold up, hold up, hold up. Boom. Face cam should be. There you go. Face cam should be on. Voice, everything should be good. Welcome to the London streams again. This is gonna be something that, like I said before I went on my trip, this is gonna be consistent. So we'll do about 3 a week. So it should be solid. So I'm gonna be trading combines today because I have 3 XFAs that are ready to go, but it won't let me activate it on the new dashboard for some reason. So I texted support, and it just won't let me up there. Every time I submit my info, it just doesn't. It freezes. So we'll get those tomorrow. Okay, first of all, I'm not black. Second of all, why'd you put a? What if I was black? Why'd you put a frown face? That's got to be racist. That's got to be racist. That's funny. Okay, let me post this on. Twitter as well. Live for London trading. Whoever wants to join can go ahead. Chat pop out. W Max is crazy. Alright, so I was looking at this low to get taken out on ES and NQ. Obviously, we just took it out right now, unfortunately. So we'll see the reactions off of these lows. I'm going to give you guys a quick. So we were obviously biased for our previous New York session, which we really, we caught nice trades to the downside. If you look at the 4-hour and daily, we're finally getting some expansion and continuation, right? We chop. We had a little liquidity sweep up here with these equal lows or equal highs, excuse me, and now we're actually distributing to the downside. Personally, I would not look to fade this move at all because this is the first time we're actually getting solid continuation to the downside, right? Like consecutive candles to the downside. So this will be the third day. And I want to see price keep driving lower into these lows that I'm about to mark out right now. And then 242 would be like the nearest area of sell side. So I want to see these lows get taken out here on ES and NQ. We have relative equal lows down here. And I think because there are no good black traders, that's false. So these lows right here, I think will be solid for the week and next week as well. So weekly candles currently looking like this. I don't want to pay attention to the weekly candle too much since the week just opened, but I am still looking for downside price. But yeah, in terms of our session here, we took out some internal lows. We still have Asia highs. So if we get a buy model back up, I'm not opposed to taking longs to the upside just for the Asia high, but we need to inverse like a 15-minute gap for us to actually do that. So that's what we're currently looking at right now. Rejecting this hourly fair value gap. Like even if we do take out the Asia high, I'll look for continuation lower out of that hourly gap. All right, let me turn some music on my AirPods because I don't want to get copyrighted. And if you guys are new to the stream, I am not Brian. I'm Dhesi. I usually do the London streams, and then Brian is live every day for our New York PM streams on this channel as well. That's good. Hold on. Let's wait for the setup to form. We got a 5-minute gap here. We'll use this 5-minute gap as bias pretty much. See how this reacts. Maybe like an initial move down off of it. You gotta stick to the higher time frames for London. I'm waiting. I'm gonna wait for that 12 a.m. open. Or my 12 a.m. And see what that open does. Alright, let's see how this 5-minute gap reacts here. Right. My lighting in my room is so bad. Finally, yeah, yesterday I stayed up for London as well. It's crazy. What was the indicator for session open? I think, pretty sure my indicator is wrong. My time's wrong at least. This is it, but I'm pretty sure London's supposed to be at 3, not 11. So. What's good, Jay? I see you in the chat. What's good? What's good? That's it right there. All right, let's 5-minute. Let's see how he reacts. SMT is like a bonus. It's not something I necessarily need to have, but it's you know, I'll use it. Let's just add a confluence. Yo, what's good, Alba? I'm not Brian. I'm Dhesi. This is very new. Brian does the New York PM streams. So I'm gonna be hosting the London streams, and he's gonna be hosting the PM New York streams. He doesn't do face cam. Okay. How was your trip? It was good. We had a lot of fun. Taiwan's definitely a vibe. I messed with it. It was good. I just love Asia overall. The safety there is just so nice. Obviously very walkable. It's just very good. It's good, Rope. So tomorrow I'm gonna be hosting. If you guys are in the Discord, I'm gonna be hosting the AM stream as well. So now that me and Brian have merged Discords, we're gonna have so many streams back to back to back. Like you guys have said, Brian too's taking care of the Asia trading. So basically it's gonna be trades like 24/7. If obviously the setup is there. Obviously market's moving nicely right now, so we can do that. But yeah. It's good thing. Honestly, if we get a move down off of this, I'll take a jab at this. Small jab at this. If we inverse this for a little bit lower. Something like that. Let me check the 15-minute. Let's see what we got down here. We have a previous London low here. How close is that? Yeah, we can do something like this. If we get that inversion. Hey, Des, haven't watched your stream before. Can you please summarize your style and what you generally look for? I'm an inversion trader, so I look for inversions off of liquidity sweeps. In terms of London, I stick with 5 and 15-minute inversions. On New York streams, I'll do lower time frame because obviously we move a little bit more. So something like this, if we reject like a 5-minute gap here. So in this case, my bias is neutral because we swept this low here. If we're going to move lower, I would like to see this gap here get violated, right? And then we could take a short. But if we want to move higher, we can use this 5-minute inversion if we get that. So this 5-minute violation. That's like 34. But yeah, what I was saying before I got distracted was, so yeah, Brian's doing Asia trading alert wise in the Discord as well, and I'm doing London and AM session. Overall, we are bearish, yes. What lower time frames do you prefer, especially for the first hour? Is it no? So in New York session, I'll use a 5 minute like. So today, for example, let's go to today's trade, right? Let's go to today's trade real quick. Where was it? Where was it? Was it here somewhere? No, this is Friday. Dun, 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 dun. I gotta see where it was. Give me a second. Let me pull it up on my side. What time did I alert this short? 7:18. So 10:18. Just to give you guys an example. Hold on, I'm all over the place right now. 10:18, 10:18, right here. So this is what I pretty much try to do, right? So in this case here, price rebalance into a 5 minute gap. So just think about this as a retracement to a 5 minute. And to look for continuation, I basically look for an inversion fair value gap. So in this case, I was using this previously used gap here. ES actually tapped into this gap. NQ, you guys can see, really didn't. But once we inverse this gap, that's my entry. And why would I like that entry? Because we obviously had more sell side lower. And also, we are rejecting a 4-hour fair value gap up here. So overall, higher time frame, we're bearish. We rejected a 4-hour fair value gap. This is our first 5-minute retracement right into a fair value gap here. This is a bearish fair value gap getting retraced into. And then I look for a 1-minute confirmation for lower. So I take this inversion trade here, stop above this previous high, and then I'll put my take profits at my take profit level, which can be start of new fair value gaps like this right here, and things like that. I'll also go over another trade that we took in the morning. So similar to this, rejecting this 4-hour fair value gap still, right, and moving lower. I was looking for a 1-minute inversion. I missed this one up here, but then I noticed we put in a fair value gap right here as well. So we respected the fair value gap for one candle, and then we knife right under it. I get my entry here, and then I ride it all the way down. And this trade, we went, pretty much caught for 100+ points today in the Discord for our New York session for AM. So we had 2 AM session trades, pretty much the same thing on both of them, where we rebalance and then we have a 1-minute confirmation for lower prices. Let me pull the chat. Yeah, I'm waiting for ES as well. Make sure ES inverses as well. You don't get caught here. You could catch an entry like here somewhere down to 313. That'd be nice. When you enter the 1 minute is so big to use. No. So there was a 30-second gap that I could have used, but I don't really use a 30-second too much. But you could have used that 30-second off that 5-minute because we were bearish still. That's why. All right, let's see how this 1 minute closes. I might take a small entry here. Let's go to micro so we could do a little bit more. All right. Let's go to, I'll take some MNQ shorts here. We'll go stops up here, and then we'll manage accordingly. Right at 90. Okay. And then we'll go see how price reacts to these lows. That was kind of quick. I'm sorry if you guys didn't get that entry. That was kind of quick. Let's go to Flav. I'm gonna pitch the idea to Brian, but maybe have one of you guys on stream one day and have you guys run the stream. I think that'd be fun. Kobe Prodigy was good. Yeah. You just take partial in this. Yeah, I'll take some partial at this low, just to play it safe. But I think that'd be fun, like members of the week or something, or viewers of the week. If you guys like have a good performance in the week, you guys send it over and it's been verified. We can. Nice, there you go. Let's trim some here. Go break even. I'm gonna trim a little bit more. There you go. Nice little 20 points to start off. Our London session. And that's pretty much what I look for. The 5-minute fair value gap, 1 minute inversion to lower prices. 313 would be very nice here. This is a beautiful trade. Almost 30 points here. Did anyone take this in chat? ES is kind of moving a little bit lower than NQ right now. And we'll go break even stop. I'm gonna leave 3 running, and then we'll go break even. Yeah, I did go kind of fast. It's fine. We'll have one more trades. We're about to get our open right now. I miss you because of coffee. It's all good. Yeah, London sometimes goes back and forth. So the way I trim and the way I take profits is a little bit different than New York session. Because obviously this moves a little bit slower, right? So, but I want to see. I think 313 is a good target for tonight. Put the stop. I put the stop at break even. If we make a new low, I'll move it in profits. But for now, break even. I had 10 micros. I trimmed 7. If we put in a new low, I'll move my stop right here at this fair value gap. I want to see a full continuation. If we get a close under this low, I'll move my stop. And 2 profits. But we need a close, not just a wick. I don't trade gold. No. I like trading London now because London's been moving pretty nicely. Like pretty much this whole year, I feel like it's been moving nicely. And I'm in PSC, so it kind of works out for me. Like it's only 11:52, so get on. Usually, what I'm gonna have the streams is from like 11:30 my time to like 1:30 or like 1, and then see if you catch any trades. Obviously, there's gonna be some nights where we don't catch any trades, but so far, this is my 3rd London stream that I've hosted. It's been pretty good so far. For 2 minutes. I'm not going to move my stop because we didn't close under that previous low yet. Once we get it closed, then I'll move it. But very nice trade so far. 32 points. Yeah, 5 minutes. Okay, so let me post this from my Twitter. I'll post this. I hope did I put in the highlights? Unfortunately, I did not. But this is... Hold up. Okay, there we go. There we go. We're about to catch a very nice move. That's 50 points. Oh my god, I'm out. Oh my god. Spam 1 in the chat if you took that. Holy shit. Oh my god. Take profit hit. That was so smooth. That was so smooth. Let's go here. Oh my god, that's so smooth. Better than New York, Kate says. Real shit. We are so back. There's 313 that I wanted, right? That was the nearest 4-hour low. So there's 313. We're about to, market's about to open, or London's about to open in 5 minutes. So Mellow, bro. Listen, I have 3 counts ready to go, bro, but it won't let me activate the XFAs. It keeps freezing. I'm on the new dashboard. It keeps freezing. So I'm trying to get that to activate. I posted in the Discord. I was like, I'm trying to get, like, I posted it. Like, it says confirm shipping info. I confirm my address and everything, but then when I go to pay, it doesn't come up. So I texted support too. Yeah, I do use that block. Very nice trade, guys. This is a full trade here. We had to stop at 390. Yeah, they made me re-verify and everything with the new thing, but I already did it, and that wasn't an issue. No, I mean, ignored is crazy. What happened? Oh, top 3 firms, my fault. Top Step, Tradeify. I don't personally trade Tradeify, but a lot of people do, and they're reputable. And Apex, I would say those 3. Look, this is why I'm fine with no longs, because we finally are expanding, guys. Like, think about it. We consolidated for so long. This move is going to be very quick to the downside. And TBT is 4. Yep. You know, I used to have high regard for myfundedfutures. No, I like Tradeify. I just haven't traded it. That's all it is. There's nothing against them. myfundedfutures, I don't know. I used to be big on them, but I don't know. They're a little pricey too. They did fall off so bad. And the reason why I don't trade with them, right? Because I've been on live twice with them. So I've been on live twice with myfundedfutures, and I did the first live I did pretty bad. The second live I did really good. I took out like 6-7K, which is good. But the issue is I can't trade expert plans. I'm on a strict plan where I can only trade starter accounts. And once I get 2 payouts on each starter account, I get live. But the thing is, I only get 1 more live. If I get live 1 more time and I blow it, I think I get banned. So, like, I mean, it's pretty hard to maintain a 5K account. That's why I don't feel like going into myfundedfutures. Like, it's just not worth it for me. But the 50K starter is probably still the easiest to get payout from. It's just they won't let me do experts. Like, they're like, oh, since you're already a live trader, if you blow your live account, this is how you could get back into it, but you just can't use the expert plan to do it. You got to use the starter account. Apex man me. I have like 18 PAs ready to go. I just haven't activated them yet. I'm honestly I'm not a good Apex trader at all. I'm probably like break even on Apex all the time. I used to rinse myfundedfutures before I was limited to only starters. My withdrawal was declined. What should I do? What? Are you doing the IFUG strat? Yes, I've been trading IFUGs for 2 years now. I see, I see. Do you trade on a personal account? I have a live options account. Options in like long term. No live futures account right now. Okay. Oh yeah. Luca dropping 70. They didn't delete my accounts on Top Step. I had that. If you guys saw my Twitter, that big day I had on what was it? The day I left before vacation, I made like 20K on the XFA. The next day after that, I lost a bit. I think I lost 2 days in a row, but then I took a payout and then it was like a 6-7K and then I was done. Danny trades, bro, the goat. Okay, that's ridiculous. 600K with 3K drawdown. Like honestly, bro, if I was him, I would just secure $200 days and withdraw the like as much as I can. Because if you want more like execution tip wise and things like that, the Discord has a lot of education stuff, and also my personal YouTube Dhesi Trades has my model, so I would look at that because if I explain it right now, it's gonna take up the whole stream, or it's gonna like shadow the stream. This hourly is very bearish. I think a lot of people, what they're doing is seeing this low resistance liquidity being built here. Like, keep in mind, LR does not get ran through on bearish trends. So let's keep that in mind. So until we get like a full hourly or a 4-hour flip, like I would not look too long, like in terms of my bias being long. Because every retracement has just been a move for lower prices. Yeah, Kate, it was. That was nice. Dakota has 10K. Yeah, I don't know why they only give him 3K. I know you could talk to him with it, but like, I'm pretty sure he asked for more. I only trade 150K counts. Let me make sure I don't leak anything by doing this. Okay. So yeah, this is a new Top Step dashboard, right? I have these 3 passed, but I can't activate them for some reason. Like I said, it keeps freezing. But this dashboard is pretty nice because it's been like auto updating every trade, which is very nice. This is nice. I'm really a fan of this. Or is yeah 20K deal? Yeah. Yes, sir, Flat. I'm glad it helped. I don't know. They just rolled it out to random traders. Like I know people have been having it for a month now. I just opened my email one day and I got it. Well, James, for the new dashboard, you can only trade Top Step X. So that's another big reason. You can't trade on anything else. But I used Top Step X before too because they don't have a loss limit. Oh, excuse me. I'll look at the 5 minute here. This is fine. Like if we do play longs, I'm just gonna use this higher fair value gap up here. Like I'm fine with taking another scalp up. It doesn't need to be. We don't need to be first. That's what I'm trying to say. Because ES hourly doesn't have a wick either, so keep that in mind. I've had some slippage on top specs, yeah. You could buy it whenever it's easy. It's every 30 days it rebuilds, no matter when you do it. We have stacked equal lows on ES down here. This hourly on ES does not have a wick. So, I mean, if PA is bad, just don't trade. That's the best advice. Cause like, I mean, I would say if it's ass, just don't trade it. It's a nice range here for London. Size down or don't trade it. I agree. Oh, someone was asking me about this earlier, so I'll post it here. It's on my Twitter, but you guys can take a screenshot of this. You can take a screenshot of this or pause it. Pretty much what I look for every single day. This right here. This is perfect. Especially for like a continuation model. Also, make sure you guys drop a like on the stream. It helps out a lot. We're dealing with 15-minute equal highs. I don't mind the equal highs. We have some relative equal highs up here and Asia highs. I'll look for longs if we violate this fair value gap up here that we previously rejected. So I'll look for longs if we do something like this. Like maybe something like this. Or like chop around here for a bit and then move higher. But we'll see. Yeah, I still think top step's the best. Yep. Alright, let's just wait it out, guys. See what happens here. Yeah, I'm looking at this 5-minute gap here. What's going to happen is we're going to be between two 5-minute gaps. So this is where we have to wait because there's going to be a lot of 5-minute gaps put in. Obviously, we took out some liquidity for sell side, but it's going to get a little bit choppy between so many gaps. So this we have to be patient. Well, I was bearish going into London, so I was looking for mainly shorts in the, near London Open. All right, we're getting a nice move. NQ is about to tap back into this gap here. If we get an inversion at this gap above, I'll look for Asia highs. on NQ. It's called ICT kills on pivots. You guys can pause. This is the settings I have. This London's supposed to be at 3, not 2. So. It'll probably be a 1-to-1, Bassett. It'll probably be something like this. Like something like this. I'll wait for a tap back into this fair value gap. We'll probably tap back into it. 3 times a week. 7. 3 a week. Gotcha. So possibly something like this. All right. Let me post in Discord. If you guys just joined the stream, we did catch a nice short earlier, like a 50-point short. Let's wait for a little pullback into the IFEG if we get it. It's a pretty nice range for London. We drove into sell side and bought back up. I usually start at 1:30 Eastern. No, 2:30 Eastern. 2:30 Eastern. Watch this your full send. Yeah, I think so, dude. Low key. Let's see. And then Brian does the PM session streams on here at 1 PM Eastern on during our New York session. Yeah, and this is why I've been trading London lately, guys, or like this year, because the range has been very nice. It is a little aggressive, but yeah, January was pretty hot. I'll say average is like 30. Came back to surprise. Dhesi, are you traveling or and trading or no? I'm back home. Back home. I was in Taiwan for 10 days, but we're back. I don't have anything planned trip wise for a while, so we'll be good to go. Guys, my sleep schedule's been cooked. Today I fell asleep at what? Like 11:30 a.m. my time, PST, and woke up at 5. It's crazy. All right, I'm gonna take some micros here with the starter. I'm gonna build up to 10. Let's put our take profit up here. I'm gonna build up to 10. I'm gonna add as we go, like lower into this gap and stuff. I'll have 10 total. So my first fill is here at 90, 91. I'm gonna have 10 total. If we just continue higher, obviously I'll rock with these until Asia high. But like I'll add like maybe like 60 or something like that. Ever trade YM? I used to when I used to trade Forex profit rooms, but not anymore. Oops. Are we good? Hold up. Give me 1 second, guys. I think we're good. We're good, right, guys? Yeah, I think we're good. That 313 level was a 4-hour low here. It was a previous London low, a previous session low. That's why I marked it up. Yep. We have equal lows down here too at 242, but we'll see what happens with that. All right, bet. Thank you. Was looking for the equal lows. Okay. What are your ICT? Okay, I'm gonna guys take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot. Boom, or pause the thing. I'll base my stop off on where I get my ads at, because I only have 3. I'm gonna go into 10, so I'm gonna have 10 total. So we'll see. If it runs without the ads, it is what it is, but that's what I'm watching right now. By ads is like if we go lower here and start like another buy model. So let's say we do something like this. This is how I protect my risk during London, right? Like let's say I want to add at these lower prices. If we come down here and we obviously don't create like a 1-minute buy model, I won't add. But like let's say we move like this, right? And we create like another inversion here somewhere, I'll add back up. But if we don't get like a 1-minute confirmation for more ads, I won't add it. That's how I protect my risk in London, because obviously London's a little bit different than New York session. I have Apex accounts ready to go. I just haven't activated them. Cause look, I just got back and I really didn't look at the market for like 2 weeks, so I need to like get back into the groove of things before I activate my PS. I had a good trading day today, so it wasn't anything crazy, but. A firm that I do want to add though is what's it called? TBT. And their daily withdrawals look nice. Take Profit Trader, TPT. I don't use any indicators. The only indicator I use is like to mark out the session highs and lows. That's it. Other than that, nothing. Blue Guardian Futures, I've never traded with them. TPT affiliate phase crazy. Yeah, I think it goes to 25%. But TPT is good because they don't have daily loss limit no more, and then they have their daily withdrawals. What's good, EF? Right now I'm in a very small long with 3 micros. My total size is going to be 10, but I'm just waiting to see if we go lower for any ads. We caught a short earlier, so just playing a little bit lighter right now until we go. Let's see what we do here. Yeah, we got a little SMT up here with these highs. But I think once we get above like 414, it should be clear. Facts. What SMT Hunter said. Make sure you guys drop a like on the stream. We usually have a pretty good turnout for London. This is good. I appreciate you guys for being up. I know some of you guys are from the States. Good. James, adding too many firms to me, just for me personally, I don't like it. Oh, Thailand, nice. All right, so we're moving lower now. If we get like another buy model up, I will look for ads. If we don't, I will obviously not add. Like I said, right now I have 3 micros. If we get like a buy model out of this, we'll get some more positions in. PA much better than Asia? Yeah, that's usually how it tends to be. Yeah, Lewis, Asia highs is something I'm interested in too. We have our 5-minute like inversions down here. Yeah, that's what I'm kind of looking at right now too. If we go under this gap, that would be pretty bearish. Top set 5 trader 5 TBT. Where's that 5-minute gap end off at? Like right here? Yeah. Even for my starter position, I'll keep my stop at 40s. That'll be the violation of the gap. How about Apex? If you follow your trades on Apex, I don't think they will. That happened with Lanto, but it wasn't the people who were taking his alerts getting in trouble. It was mostly him getting in trouble. Lewis, I fully agree with you. I think you're talking about these lows down here. I have these marked out as well. I think this is gonna be the overall target, yeah, for this move, and probably like even these lows down here. We have a lot of low resistance liquidity built up right here, so I think all that gets taken out. That'll be a solid retracement. Let's see, how much is this? 7. I want all the way down here. It's about 11 would be good. Need a catalyst. But no one's getting in trouble on Apex. It was like if you had a Discord room, they were cracking down, not cracking down, basically investigating you, because technically giving out alerts to people, right? But that's of the past. That's not a concern no more. What prop firms do you recommend? Top Step, Tradeify, Apex is good. Okay, a lot of people have been also saying 19,700. I also agree with that. I want those lows to get taken out, but I mean, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. We have a lot of lows stacked here, here. That would be good to take out. Weekly equal lows everywhere. Equal lows here. These lows. I think ES still has lows. ES literally has full on equal lows. Look at this. Like, this would be so solid, something like this. Like that. How many challenges do you say you buy more? I don't know. I don't really keep, because I have some auto resetting, so I don't really keep track. Yeah, Lewis, I think we have the same bias here over on long term. In my career of trading prop firms, yeah, I've been trading prop firms since like end of 2022. It's been almost 3 years. Yeah, I have it at 49. I have it at 49. No, not here. Not here. I covered the Venom model like very briefly in the Discord. It's literally an inversion trade. That's all it is, bro. No, I'm not adding here. It's literally like a sharp move down and a sharp move back up, vice versa. It's not that complicated. They're just renaming. I don't know. Then again, I didn't watch the full video. I just saw like people talking about it. But oh, this is the new Venom model. I'm like, oh, it looks just like an inversion setup. Yeah, yeah. My stop's at 49. Yeah. If I get stopped, we'll reevaluate the thing. Yeah, we have a breaker. Yeah. Yep, yep, yep. I'll add if we get above this 5 minute fair value gap here. I don't use a 50K, so the thing with sizing, it's like I rather use a dollar risk versus the actual size because I could have a 50-point stop, or the next trade I could have a 30-point stop. I still want to risk the same amount dollar wise, so that's why I do it. Bro, okay, Lakers are so back. LeBron getting that fifth. JJ Wallahi, yeah. JJ Redick's the coach of the year. I don't care. Guy just loves basketball. You're funny, K. A rookie head coach ship would be crazy. We're kind of just chopping around here, guys. How long have we been live for? Like an hour? I think. Yeah. No wick hourly? Yeah. I thought on ES. Yeah. I mean, K, this would be like a lob for New York. That would be solid. We'll see. This time I'm hesitating to add on this because I need more confirmation to add. Because this obviously is rejecting this 5 minute gap. And if this move happens, it's going to happen within like 2 candles, guys. It's going to be like the next candle with the candle after that. That's why I'm not adding on these positions. Tomorrow we move into the hourly gap just to slime down again. I do think we're gonna get a couple of days of continuation for New York, so it should be good. Let's see if this candle holds. Where? No. I don't usually add like that. My New York position is full 2-3 mini size. It's just I have to trade a little differently during London because the price action isn't as fluid, right? So I have to compromise. I'm in longs at a higher price up here. I'm just kind of holding and see what happens. If we get a 5-minute inversion at this fair value gap here, I'll look to add. All right, this is good. If we get to close this 5-minute gap, I'll look to add. Does TBT have activation fee? It does. It does. We got 2 minutes for this close. Yeah, ES does look a little bit cleaner. Yeah, James, it just depends on how many points it is. If it's like 50 points, I'll size down. So I got a minute here. I mean, it depends on how many my counts are at, right? If my counts are at 20k profits each, I could risk 3-4k. I don't care. It's all like based on how much my accounts have. I wouldn't look at other traders and see how much they risk because everyone's situation is gonna be different. Like I'm not gonna trade micros on my XFA or 1 mini on my XFA. It's just not gonna happen. Like fresh account, I'll risk 2-3k per trade. I'll go for like a 2-to-1 or something like that. Now we're just chopping around here. Still rejecting that 5-minute gap. There's no closes above. Yeah, we're gonna do three streams. I post them in the Discord when we do them. Like I posted in a regular chat too, general chat. You know, show which days I'm gonna do AM streams and which one I'm gonna do London stream. We'll have London for the next 2 days after this stream, so like tomorrow and then the day after that as well. I'll probably be on for like another like 20-30 minutes. Obviously don't want to stay during chop too long, because we still have to go live for our AM session as well. Yeah, I do trade recaps. I'll post so I have Monday trades and I'll do Tuesday's trades together after the end of New York session. Still rejecting that gap. This is why I tend to use the 5 and 15 minute. Are we posting in the same Discord as Lantos? No, in my own Discord. Me and Brian share Discord now. For how long do you stream AM? From like 10 a.m. Eastern to like 11:15, 11:30, and then Brian does PM. So a lot of streams going on. Kind of slowing down here. Oh, the link. Let me sure if this even works. I just changed the Discord name. Okay. You can just copy and paste that into Google. We're gonna come up with the actual name, but we're letting it come naturally. We don't want to force anything. So for now, it's just gonna be Dhesi and Brian. I trade 2 hours London, 2 hours AM. Yeah, I'll trade like PM session or something if it's good. If it's good. Honestly, for me, if his price action is good, I'm trading. Whether it's Asia or New York, whatever. If price action is moving well, I will trade. I want to take advantage of the good price action. That's kind of my thing. Yeah. The chop begins. Yeah. That's what happens in London. That's why you gotta be so patient and so disciplined to trade overnight sessions because the volume could really die. Yeah, Brian has been killing the Asia sessions the last two. He's been hammering down the Discord. Yeah, I like the Asia trading to him Atlanto. They really know how to work it well. I really don't do too well during Asia. But if it's really volatile, then catch some nice moves. Yeah, Atlanto streams in his own Discord. He does AM streams and sometimes PM as well. Big Bulls, all my education, Dhesi trades. You can go on the YouTube channel, my personal one, all free. And the Discord is free videos as well. Yeah, I'm still in my trade. Uh, Shaylin, I do want Asia high. Kind of hope we move quick, like move soon, because I'm not gonna be on for too much longer. Yeah, it's just Dhesi underscore trades, like or Dhesi trades, not underscore. It's Dhesi trades. Macro win. Here we go. The 350. Like 10 points from stop. Yeah, Axis. I like the overall bias of being lower. We took a short earlier from here down to 313. Try to catch a flip here. Yeah, we have 4 hour equal lows right here. Alright, it's 15-minute legals here too. Hold up. There's a 4 hour. We have these. Right now we just took out 313. I think it was on the 15-minute chart. We had equal lows. Let me see. Yeah, right here at 244. So we'll see. If we get stopped on this trade, it's whatever. We'll still protect half our profits, roughly. I'll probably get stopped here. Was hoping for Lanto, Dhesi, Brian, Discord. Hey, Me and Brian are doing it. You gotta tell Lanto. We pitched the idea. We've talked about it multiple times. Probably end off. Yeah, I was gonna probably end off here 1-on-1 or 1-and-1 on the night. I don't think I'm gonna take anything else. We'll see. Yeah, looks like it's going for 244. Let's mark that out. Put equal lows. Yeah, looks like we're gonna go for the equal lows. Yeah, I think that's what's gonna happen here, ISIS. Because ES doesn't have the hourly wick. Not equal lows on anyways. Let's get rid of these lines here. ES really hasn't dug too deep into this gap. We haven't tapped into it at all. So NQ is definitely the weaker one. Rue. I just saw your bro. I just saw your P-note calendar. That shit's crazy, bro. I has not had a red day. 8 straight green days. Goated. All right, guys. I'm gonna wrap up the stream here. We're 1-1 for the night. I'm still gonna be active in the Discord because the London session is actually not moving too bad, but I just want to sit around for a while for these 15-minute hourly closes. If you guys are in the Discord, I'll see you guys in the chat. If you guys are still trading, get some scalps for London. But stream-wise, I'm gonna close it. We're back with London streams. Like I said, back from my trip, so we'll do another London stream tomorrow and the day after that. So we're gonna aim for 3 streams for London. I'm gonna host 3 London streams. Brian's gonna do PM all pretty much week. And then I'm going to do 3 a.m. as well. So we'll go a.m. in the morning. If you have any questions, just at me in the Discord, and I'll be ready to answer you guys. All right, guys. Have a good one.